answer these questions in English, speaking naturally.
Do you like your hometown? What's your favorite book? How do you feel today? Do you prefer tea or coffee? Can you play a musical instrument? Do you like dancing? What's your favorite sport to watch? How many languages do you speak? Are you left-handed or right-handed? Do you like to travel? What's the first thing you do in the morning? Do you dream at night? What are you looking for? Can you sing well? Do you mind if I sit here? What's your plan for tomorrow? Have you seen this movie? Are you free tonight? How can I help you? Thank you for watching this video.